Okay, so we're going to do the rectangular pattern tool. There's two slides that we need in order to do this. The first one is here. So this is where our dimensions are. It's 6 inches wide and 4 inches high in a rectangle, and it's 0.5 in depth. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to choose my front face. I'm going to grab my rectangle and then grab my dimension tool. Change this to 6. Change this to 4. There's my rectangle, finish that sketch. And then I'm going to extrude this to 0.5. That's good to go. So the next thing I need to do is create this circle that's down here and dimension it to 0.5 on each side. So I'm going to create a new sketch on the front face. And I'm going to grab my circle tool. I'm going to come down to this corner, just draw a circle. I'm going to dimension it to 0.3. Now I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to go from the center of the circle to the edge of the object, make that 0.5. Center of the object to the bottom edge, 0.5. And now that's fully dimensioned. I'm going to hit finish sketch. I'm going to hit my house to go to ISO. I'm going to extrude this first to 0.25. And now I'm ready for the rectangular pattern tool. So I'm going to choose front again. I'm going to go under the create menu, go to pattern, choose rectangular pattern. And I'm going to make sure features is selected. I'm going to select that little extrusion I just made. I'm going to choose axes and I'm going to choose the vertical axis first. I'm going to make sure that distribution is set to spacing. And on axis 1, I want a total of 4. And I want the distance to be 1 inch. And then axis 2 by default is this bottom edge. I want a total of 6. And I want the distance to be 1 inch. I'm then going to hit OK. And that one is totally finished. When I go back to my front ISO view, I can see my full pattern.